students, in today's class we are going to have the topic convolution theorem, which is under Laplace transform. Okay, now we are going to solve this problem. So using convolution, we need to find the inverse Laplace transform of this function. Okay, using the convolution concept, we are going to solve this. Okay, yes. So the first thing is, which is right given problem. So that is L inverse of s square by s square plus a square the whole square. Okay, that should be equal to L inverse of, we need to split this function into two. Okay, we can make it as any one way. Okay, there are a lot of ways. Okay, so the first way is s by s square plus a square, then into numerator term is s square, that means I can not put s. And in division also we need square, that means I have to write the same term, that is s square plus a square. Okay, now we need to break this inverse Laplace transform inside the bracket. Okay, for that we are going to use convolution theorem. Using that we can write L inverse of s by s square plus a square star L inverse of second term, that is s by s square plus a square. Okay, this way how to use convolution theorem. Okay, yes. The next step is we need to use formula. Numerator is cast, that means formula is cast. You just see the value is a means a. Okay, and the second term both are same, that means the same term which is cast a. Okay, now we need to eliminate this star, that means how to use definition of convolution. Already we know, right? The concept is what? Integral from 0 to t. This is first function, this is second function. In first function we place t as u. So we are going to get cos AU, and into in second term we place t as t minus u. So a into t minus u and into d. This is the concept of convolution. Okay. The next thing is just multiply this term inside the bracket. Okay. Integral is outside. Integral from 0 to t. Yes. Cos AU. Cos. Just multiply the term. So AT minus AU then into D, and that should be equal to, this is A, this is B. Why we are using cos A cos B formula? Because we need to bring either plus or minus in the middle. Okay, so using trigonometric function alone we can bring that down. Okay, so we do this outside and use the formula cos A cos B. So 1 by 2 into cos of A plus B. A term is AU and B term is this one, which is odd the term. So this is cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So AU minus of the remaining terms. So it is minus AT and plus A. Then we'll have a bracket, common bracket, and into DU. So this is cos of A minus B. Okay, this is A plus B. Right? Let's take 1 by 2 outside. Integral from 0 to t, cos of, check the term, AU minus AU, that will be cancelled. So AT alone in the first term. And second term is cos of AU plus AU is 2AU. Then minus AT. Then close the bracket into D. Now in the middle we'll have plus. So easily we can integrate this term. Okay. So 1 by u is outside. And integration with respect to u. Okay. In first term we don't have any u, which means this is constant. Integration of du is what? U. So u into cos AT and plus here you are having u, that means not to integrate this term. Okay, integration of cos is sin of 2AU minus AT whole divided by, not to divide u by addition, which is 2a. And we'll have a bracket which is the limit from 0 to this way on the integrate. Okay, now we are going to replace the limit. Just replace the upper limit first. So instead of u, not replace it. Okay, so we just see cos AT and plus replace this u as t. So 2AT minus AT. So which is AT. So sin AT by 2a. So this is upper limit. And minus lower limit is what? Replace t as 0. Sorry, u as 0. So first term 0. Second term 0 minus 80, which is minus 80. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So minus sin AT whole divided by 2a. Upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. So the next thing is we just simplify the term. So 1 by 2 is outside. Just check it out. Any term will be cancelled, right? We can add these two terms. So finally the answer is t cos 80 plus minus into minus is plus. Already we have one term. So sin 80 by 2a. 2 times here. Okay, at last just cancel the term. So finally the answer is 1 by 2 t cos 80 plus 2 is cancelled, sin 80 whole divided by a. Okay, so this way we need to find inverse Laplace transform using the concept convolution. Okay, thank you guys.